On July 1st, the Embassy of France hosted the first edition of the French-American Networking Event in Science and Technology, or NEST, in collaboration with INSERM, the French National Institute for Health and Medical Research.
So the basic idea is that we have a lot of French scientists who are actually working in American laboratories, and usually we don't really know where they are, what they are doing. So we found useful to contact some of them who would help us to welcome scientists from France or students, and also introduce us to the American laboratory where they are working. It's also the opportunity to have a high-level scientific meeting, and this year we wish to celebrate the 50th anniversary of INSERM, which is the health research institution in France.
The US is the first partner of INSERM. There is a natural exchange of postdoc, of PhD students, but we also have some very important association with NIH and several NIH institutes and NCI, NIDA and others. And we have also 6 associated labs with university and from New York to San Diego, and also joint lab with University of California at Irvine.
Since 2012, the National Institute on Drug Abuse at the NIH has worked in partnership with INSERM.
We sounded an agreement to try to identify common areas of research that will further the mission of both our countries. And the first of those initiatives was to initiate training of scientists at the postdoctoral level that would come to the United States to train in certain areas of neuroscience, and then we would identify scientists from the United States going into France for laboratories. Well, this is very exciting because it's the 50-year anniversary of INSERM, and it's also it's occurring at a time when how we do science is completely changing. And I think that it does symbolize a very nice breaking in terms of open access, but it's also opening borders, and the notion that knowledge should really have no borders, and if we want to advance it, we need to take advantage of those opportunities and create as many partnerships as possible.
INSERM Transfer, the INSERM subsidiary dedicated to knowledge and technology transfer, is also very involved in the partnership with the National Institute on Drug Abuse.
What we do with that, either we perform license agreement with our industrial partner in the US, for instance, but also we try to build strategic R&D partnerships, and we have a couple with global partners, GSK, for instance, but also ILEAD as well, and AstraZeneca and MedImmune. We try to build strongest and stronger relationship with foreign countries, with the US as well. We have already started that by working in close collaboration with the US in Boston last year in 2013 for the French-American Innovation Days, and we are really willing to continue to perform that and to develop further this collaboration around between the US and France.
We will also take this opportunity to sign an agreement between our embassy, our Office for Science and Technology, and INSERM. This agreement will promote the support of INSERM for young PhD students from the United States coming to INSERM laboratories in France.
We need your commitment, we need your support to ensure the continued success of collaborative science between France and the United States. Alors mes chers amis, vive les États-Unis, vive la France et vive notre coopération scientifique. Merci beaucoup.